What's going on YouTube? Massimo, MP Slot Car Space. Welcome back to another episode. It's been a minute since my last video, a few months actually. On that note, I hope everyone's been staying safe during this global pandemic and having fun with this hobby. I haven't been able to devote as much time as I would have liked to this, so now that winter is coming.
But winter is coming.
Hopefully I can put some more things into the track and get some more content out there for you guys. So today's just going to be a quick update of where I sit right now. And yeah, let's get into it. We got light. So before I disappeared for a few months, I was reviewing some different lighting solutions for my track. And I did a review on the Tip Kick floodlight set. And also I did a part review on the Slot Car Space Solutions lighting kit. I finally wired those lights up. I think they look amazing. I finally finished them this morning. So I'm gonna show you. I wanna know what you think. And yeah, without wasting more time, let's take a look at this video I'm gonna edit for you with some music in it. There you have it. I finally have working lights. They're no longer just for display, they work. Now if I were you, I wouldn't look underneath the table to see how the wiring is done because it's a little shoddy, but whatever, it works. I'm happy with it. I think they look pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Tip Kick lights are brighter, but the Slot Car Space Solution lights I think look really good and give a lot of realism to the track. And yeah, for lighting, that's going to be it for today, but I do want to show you some other minor updates I did to the track and one other thing that I have that I'm going to be building shortly for it. Now, if you picked up in the video so far, I have a bunch of these sponsored boards that I have up on the track, along with these braking meters over here on the front straight and also over here on the back straight, along with some more sponsor boards over here and over here. Now these are all from MHS Models. I also got this merchandise stand from them. Well, there you are. The last thing I got from MHS was this grandstand kit, which I'll probably do a time-lapse review on soon. So as you can see, they come very tightly packed. This was the biggest out of the three I ordered, and you can see it's very thin. Shipping was very cheap. And yeah, the pricing on these are not bad. Check them out. They have a lot of different options. They're just cardboard and wood cutouts that you glue together and paint. Fun stuff. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you for today. Hopefully I'll be back soon with some updates. And yeah, that's it. I can't remember what my outro was. I don't even know if I had an outro, something like keep your guide in the slots. But you do you. enjoy the hobby, have fun with it. Subscribe, like my video, comment, and yeah, I try to answer as many questions as I can. Feel free to message me on Instagram. That's all I have. Thanks for joining me. Take care.